Gucci gang. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, what's going on? Guys, what if you could get paid $1 to $12 per song that you listen to? I mean, you listen to music every day, right? Why not get paid to do it? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make up to $12 per song.
Over habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
What's going on, guys? Eric Ellis Jr. here, and in this video, as stated before, we're going to show you guys how to make free money with PayPal, not PayPal, but PayPal, simply by listening to music. My name is Eric Ellis Jr. If this is your first time coming across my channel, I make videos on how to make money online and entrepreneurship. If you like that type of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribers button right freaking now, and that notification bell, because if you don't hit that, you're not subscribed. And number two, right, if you guys want to know how I personally make money online, which is quite frankly a little bit more than this, go ahead and hit the first thing in the description, grab access to my free book. Now let's get into the content. Let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, if you look here, what I'm going to show you guys is introduce you guys to something called Playlist Push, right? Now, basically, what it is supporting independent artists, helping them catch more traction, and thus you helping them catch more traction and building their following, people listening to their music, and them starting to monetize that, right? In return, they're going to go ahead and pay you some money as well. Now, depending on how big your following is, will depend on how much you can make per song, right? But let's take a look at this, what we can do connecting artists to playlist curators, right? So in this instance, to generate an income, not creating music, but actually just reviewing songs and listening to music, you'd be considered a playlist curator, right? Now we help independent artists get their music on playlists and give playlist curators a way to monetize their playlist while discovering new music. Now here's the thing. All these other platforms that you listen to independent artists on, like SoundCloud and things of that nature, when you listen to their music, you get paid, right? It's the same thing as anything else, right? Why work here or listen here, or you get the point, right? So guys, why not get paid doing so? So we're going to show you guys in a second, right? Now for curators, if you are a curator, and why am I shirtless? Don't worry about that. We're worried about making some money here, right? So for curators, now you guys can look at two things. You guys can look at for artists or for curators. Obviously, if you're looking to make money right now, most likely you're not an artist. You could be, who knows, right? But popular playlist owners monetize and grow your playlist, right? So the objective, guys, is to start growing a playlist. And once you write reviews, right, you're going to help boost the rankings of other artists. And in exchange for those reviews, you're going to get paid anywhere from $1 to $12. Now, guys, let's do the math here, right? An average song is about, what is that, like 3 minutes? You make up to $12 in 3 minutes? For 60 minutes? What is that? You can listen to 20 songs per hour, maybe? What is that, like $200 an hour? I'm just doing quick math here, but I mean, the earning potential is pretty crazy, right? Now, this is how it works, right? If you notice here, depending on your reputation and engagement, you can earn up to $12 per song. So what that means, guys, your reputation, engagement, you guys do have to have a large, not a large, but like the bigger your following, right, in the music industry, the more you can get paid, right? Now there is a caveat, there is a catch. You're probably like, this is too good to be true, right? $12 every song, that's crazy, right? Now here's the thing, right? You might get sad, you might get upset, but it is what it is. Me personally, I always like to make a negative a positive, right? This gives you something to work towards, right? Now, get paid to review songs. You're simply just getting paid to review songs, right? We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, we ask you to consider adding it to one of your playlists, right? So you're just going to review these songs. That's how you get paid. Now, to qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with at least 400 followers on either Spotify, Deezer, or Apple Music. So guys, all you guys have to do is work towards creating good playlists on Spotify, Deezer, or Apple Music, right? But here's the thing. This is what's the understanding. This is what's genius about this business model, right? It wouldn't make sense if nobody else is listening to those playlists, right? So the bigger your playlist following, right, that's going to go ahead and give exposure to that artist. That's the point. That's why they are paying you guys so much per song. Guys, $12 per song, that's ridiculous. So if you start working towards building playlists on these platforms that people actually like, right, you're going to be driving more traffic to these artists and giving them more exposure. Thus, you're going to be bringing more value to the table, right? So if you guys don't have 400 followers yet, right, it's something that works towards, and I'll look at a different video on how to grow a playlist, right? Once you start growing that playlist, you're going to start being able to drive traffic. It's just like anything else. You build a YouTube channel, you can monetize it. You build a playlist that has followers, you can monetize it, right? And this is a platform to where you guys can monetize it, let alone listen to music and get paid, right? I mean, when you build on Spotify or Apple Music, they don't pay you, right? But once you build a playlist, you can monetize it with this platform. Now, what I do like about this, guys, is weekly payouts. Not monthly like all these other platforms, weekly payouts. So you get paid every single week, a check every week, and they pay you with PayPal. Thus, free PayPal money. All you're simply doing is reviewing. Like, you're not selling anything, you're not doing anything. Most of the videos that I create, it shows you how to sell stuff online. Guys, you're simply listening to music, jamming out, and guys, I love music. Imagine getting paid to do so. So that wraps it up, guys. A playlist push. If you guys don't have 400 followers yet, it gives you something to work towards. Once you work towards it, you want to continue to grow that following, because when you continue to grow that following, you're going to be able to monetize it and make more money with playlist push. Get free money with PayPal, weekly payouts, right? It doesn't get better than that. Now, guys, if you guys liked this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I promise you it does help, right? And go ahead and drop a comment below. What's your thoughts behind it? Have you used it before? Are you keen to use it? I don't know why I use keen. I'm hanging with Australians too much. Are you guys excited to use this? Are you guys excited to take on the task of getting that 400, right? Drop a comment below. And make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell. And as stated before, if you guys want to know my #1 recommendation to make money online, it'll be the first link in the description. Right? Now, with that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys so freaking much. As always, I will see you tomorrow. Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.
Yeah, Gucci gang. Oh, yeah.
Big head on the beat.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.